Welcome everyone, in front of me I have REALME 14T 5G, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you 5 tricks you must try on this smartphone, so stay with me and watch the full video. Enjoy watching, what can I say? So I have worked with all major brands smartphones, and I recommend few tricks that you should know about based on my personal use of this device, based on my knowledge. I will show all of these tricks right now. So let me start by opening the settings. And sorry for that, in the main page of settings you have to get into the display and brightness, and the trick is in here. You have to get into the screen refresh rate. What is a trick about these settings? If you're using the auto select and you are a gamer or something like this, you will see the difference between how your smartphone performs in games and overall using, because it uses the auto select, detects your battery power and consumption, and adjusts the screen refreshing rate to optimize your smartphone. So one time you can have 120 Hz, sometime you can have 60 Hz. So this is not good, and you should have a stable hertzes, and it doesn't matter, it consumes more battery power, the better is performance of your smartphone, and always you can charge your smartphone, so this is not a common issue. I think you should have here the high refresh rate. It gives you up to 120 Hz, so in games you can have the same amount FPSs, which is a very good amount for mobile devices. You can see on the preview how it works and the difference between these two modes. On the left, the high, the animation looks better and the effects are smoother, so this is a non-questionable better way to use your smartphone, and this is the first trick I want to show you. Now let's move on to the accessibility and convenience, because in here we have something called the smart sensing, and in here we have to allow gestures and motions, of course, and we can enable the air gestures. So what is air gestures? We can use air gesture to answer or mute incoming calls. We can press here to learn gestures. Hold the back of your hand up to the screen, just like this. Flick your hand, answer the call like this. So as you can see, it is very easy. You can learn it in a quick way. If you want to use air gestures and smart sensing, then it is a good option to have. After this, we have to get back and move to the security and privacy, because if you are a person who likes to protect their online data and some personal informations or passwords or something like this in a safe space, then private safe space is best for you. You should tap here and choose a password that you want to use. So press set password. For me it's a very hard password. Yes, this is a very hard password, so use it anyway, of course. Now I have to repeat this and check if I want to enter some security settings. I have to at least one, so I don't want to use my recovery email. I will answer the question. Former teacher's name, I don't remember, so make it C. Of course, done. And now I'm in a private safe zone, so I can move here the images, videos, audio files, documents and other files. So all private files are encrypted and stored in here, so make sure that you protect your own data. If you want to get into the settings, then you have to enter the password, and then you will be able to get in the settings, change password, choose a reset password options, other unlock methods, and verify for recently deleted files. If you want to completely disable this option, then you have to press here on turn off privacy password, wait 5 seconds and press turn off and enter your privacy password. So this is also good feature to know about. It must be hard for people to not know about the safe zone in your smartphone, because sometimes people think, oh, I have a screen lock, so I'm well secured. No, you are not. So make sure that you have accomplished these steps. Now what can I show you next? Let's move on to the home screen and lock screen, because in here you have a double tap to lock. So if you want this option, it is a very good option to have. I like it because I just do this and my phone is locked. I just do this and my phone is not locked. So I don't know why in many of the smartphones it works in both ways. Alright, so make sure that you turn off this option because it's pointless. Now let's move on and get into the notifications and quick settings. Why? Because in here we have more settings, and yeah, the bubbles. We can turn off or on the bubbles. We can hide silent notifications from status bar, so do not show icons for silent notifications. You can turn it on. Enchantments notifications, so you can get suggested actions, replies and more. It all depends of your preferences, but there are important features to know about in these settings. If you don't want, then leave it alone and don't think about it. In a status bar you can actually this is tricky, because if you want to enable the battery percentage in this device, it should be in a display and brightness or in battery, but there is not some such feature. If you want to manage this option, so you have to get in here in the status bar, and in here battery percentage you have your features here. You can choose inside, outside, or do not show at all, but show me the people who doesn't like to know the exact battery percentage. I like to know, so I leave it like this. Of course you can change the battery styling here and show the notifications, icons, or you do not show, or show a numbers. Actually I want to show a numbers, that is better for me. And choose a time, how you want to show it, hour and minutes, if you want to show a seconds or hide it. And I think that was all of the features that I wish to show you in this video. So if I helped you, leave a like and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. See you again and hear you again in the next videos. Goodbye.